Okay, so here the length of the arc AB of the shape is 66, right? So when they're talking about the arc, of course, they're talking about this here, aren't they? 66 centimeters. Calculate the size of the reflex angle AOB correct to the nearest degree. So reflex is the one that's bigger, the biggest one basically, bigger than 180 degrees. Okay. So the one here, right, not the obtuse one here. So the fact that they've told us the arc here, arc length, we can use that, right? And then we recognize that in this sector here is fraction of the circle. So also I'm going to write in 18 centimeters here. Okay, so because it's mentioned the arc length, I'm going to work out the circumference of the full circle, 3.14 times the diameter, which is 36. That comes out to be 113.04 centimeters squared. Now we want the fraction, so if we call that x, it'll be x over 360. That's what fraction of a circle this is. Times then of this, isn't it, of the full circumference. Okay, will actually equal then this answer here, 66. Okay, so the arc length here, of course that arc length is a fraction. Just think about that, right? This 66 is a fraction of the full 113.04, and that fraction is this here, of course, x, the 360. So all you've got to do then, take the 360 up here in times, because you divide and take it up in times, and this 113.04 because you times and take it over and divide. So you get 210.2, but it does say to the nearest degree, so that'll be 210 degrees. And then it says, what was the area of the piece of metal that was removed? Well, the piece of metal that was removed was a sector, wasn't it? And the sector will be this corresponding angle here. Now if this is 210, okay, the bit that was removed would be 210 from 360 because it's a full circle, so that'll be 150 degrees. Okay, so the area of that sector, area of sector removed, will be fraction of the circle, yeah, which is 210 degrees out of 360. Okay, no it's not, it's 150 degrees out of 360. This is the one that's removed, yeah, of then the full area of the circle, okay, times the full area of the circle, which of course is pi r squared. So pi r squared. Now I could have worked out the area of the circle to start with, couldn't I? Which I normally do. It doesn't matter. Do it this way. So the fraction of the area of the circle. Of course the radius is 18. So let's do it all in one go. We get 423.9 centimeters squared.